where you grew up and people around here?
Yeah.
Well, there's nothing plain and simple about that.
And you are not Jesus.
Alright, right, have it your way. And why not? You did not come here to take pictures of who we are. Only who you think we are. You are merely passing by and you happen to have a camera and you expect us to be convenient for you. Sis, man. You're not different from him, the white man. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Take what you want! Is this what you want to show to the world? Is this how you want to make me famous?
I'd be a fool to let this moment go. Photography is about that feeling.
Fuck you and your feelings. You don't respect me.
Balance. Balance. It's all about balance. I can't take pictures of the good alone. I need to balance it out. I mean, look, not so long ago, you looked just like Picasso. Now, you're a goat head. There's good and bad in everything.
That white man with a display in his butcher. He will take pictures of us and the villagers. There was no Picasso, no black Jesus, only us carrying carcass of dead animals, building the roads, or in chains at the police station. In his shop, we were like criminals and laborers.
That white man and his butchery have since closed down. He left town a long time ago.
But the pictures, they do not live with him. They are in my head, in my soul, in my subconsciousness. They are the me that I am to the world.
Which is why you should be helping me, instead of lecturing me on how to tell the story of my people.
My goat is sick. It needs my attention. That butcher was a poison to this village. The entire generation grew up on that poison. And your generation thinks it's okay for our people to be treated like those crackers in the butcher.
Come on, boy. Come on, Anthony. Come on, Anthony. Come on, Anthony. Boy, we must be at Nature Residence by sunrise, ready for surprise, eh? Anthony, a good photographer must be prepared for anything at all times. Anthony, if you delay 5 more minutes, we're going to be 5 more minutes too late, boy. Come on.
I'm almost done, Dad.
No. Almost doesn't count. Do you know how many photographs you can take in a minute alone, eh? You're going to miss out on an exciting expedition, I tell you. Those Bantus right there, those Bantus are early risers, and they all have a trick up their sleeve. Hey, we'll have to take pictures of all of it, yeah? Now, boy, show me your camera. Show me your camera, boy. All right, show me your camera. All right. No, Anthony. How many times must I tell you, hey? The camera is in photography what a bullet is in battle. Be careful with it, yeah? Yeah. What's wrong, my boy?
Nothing, Dad. It's just that when we go out, you only take pictures of what you want.
Well, then say so. If you want to take a picture with the Bantu, we'll get the garden boy to pose for you. Yeah, that's good, yeah.
No, Dad, no. I want real pictures.
Oh, I see. The boy is more of a refined Bantu, isn't he? I tell you what, if it's a savage you want, we're all going to go to the theatre, right? So we're going to go to the theatre, right? And what we're going to do in the theatre, we're going to get some leopard skins, right? The theatre is only an hour's drive away, but I reckon we can make it, yeah? So, we're going to go to the theatre, get some leopard skins, put them on our boy, and turn our garden boy into a real the camera. Now, ready? I'm and shoot!
Go!
Shoot!
Go!
Shoot!
Go!
Shoot, boy!
Go!
Now remember, boy, photography is expensive and film must be used sparingly. So shoot!
Go!
Shoot!
Go!
Shoot!
Go!
Shoot, boy!
Go!
Now this is what photography is all about, right? You lock onto your subject, lock onto it, zoom in, target, and shoot!
Go!
Shoot!
Go!
Shoot!
Go!
Shoot!
Go!
They all have a trick up their sleeves, so shoot!
Go!
Shoot!
Go!
Shoot!
Go!
Shoot!
Go! As far as I'm concerned, more blacks have been murdered by the camera than by the gun. Bullets subtracts the number of population. But the camera, it does not kill. It erodes and it deletes. Numbers are not a factor in the genocide committed to the camera. It is our own character that it destroys. Every black person who is caught on camera in an unfortunate position. And every proud black is compromised. A lot of time is wasted in depicting us as criminals, savages, to justify crime against us.
But there's lots of cameramen who are using the camera as a tool to reconstruct the black image.
That white man poison is strong.
But let's face it, the good black, it doesn't sell. The world wants to see us as gangsters, thugs and warlords.
We will need a stronger magazine.
I did the best I can.
But you have not prepared enough for
No, damn it, I'm a photographer, not some bloody medicine man.
Everyone in this village is a medicine man.
No, not me. I'm a photographer, not some hocus-pocus medicine man.
All right, I will do it myself. My boat made me.
I need you. I don't know the people here.
Listen, those are your people. You have the blood of Picasso. We trust you.
No. I'm the photographer. I cannot be the character as well. I need the people. The people must tell me their story. Come on. It's a struggle.
A struggle is a struggle, whether for the camera or whatever. The fact that you're struggling, it is consistent of being black. So, I'll do this myself. Hey, you know, our goats used to roam the forest freely. They would eat all the medicine that they wanted. And that meant, it will be absorbed into a meat. We will eat that meat. In the process, we will be healed. Not these goats of today.
Today's meat is full of hormones and testosterone.
Yeah, it's because of those injections that they put on animals. That's why people are so sick today. They are eating